Hello and welcome to Code with Juni. In this tutorial, we will be learning more HTML tags. The first tag is the B tag. This is used to bold out text. In HTML, tags can be used inside other tags. Example, we can use the B tag and the P tag to bold the text in the P tag. Moving on, we will see the strong tag. The strong tag is also used to make text bold. Next, we have the I tag. This is used to make text italic. We also have the mark tag. This tag is used to highlight the text inside it. In the next tutorial, we will be learning more HTML tags. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe for more.